Culinary herbs not only enhance the flavor of dishes but also offer a range of health benefits. Incorporating these herbs into your cooking can provide essential nutrients and bioactive compounds that promote overall well-being. Here are 9 healthy culinary herbs to consider adding to your meals. 1. Basil. Basil is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. It contains essential oils that may help combat stress and support heart health. Fresh basil can elevate salads, pasta, and sauces. 2. Oregano. Oregano is packed with antioxidants and has antimicrobial properties. It is known for its potential to support immune function and may help fight infections. Use oregano in marinades, dressings, and Mediterranean dishes. 3. Rosemary. Rosemary is not only aromatic but also rich in antioxidants. It has been linked to improved digestion and may enhance memory and concentration. This herb pairs well with roasted meats and vegetables. 4. Thyme. Thyme is a powerful herb with antibacterial and antifungal properties. It is also a good source of vitamins C and A, which support immune health. Thyme works well in soups, stews, and roasted dishes. 5. Parsley. Parsley is often overlooked but is a nutrient powerhouse. It is high in vitamins K, C, and A, and contains antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation. Use parsley as a garnish or in salads for a fresh flavor. 6. Cilantro. Cilantro is known for its detoxifying properties and may help remove heavy metals from the body. It is also rich in vitamins A, C, and K. Add cilantro to salsas, salads, and Asian dishes for a burst of flavor. 7. Dill. Dill is not only flavorful but also has digestive benefits. It may help alleviate bloating and gas. Use dill in pickles, dressings, and seafood dishes for a refreshing taste. 8. Sage. Sage is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may also support cognitive function. This herb is excellent in stuffing, sauces, and roasted meats. 9. Mint. Mint is refreshing and can aid digestion. It has a calming effect and may help relieve headaches. Use mint in teas, desserts, and salads for a cool flavor. Incorporating these healthy culinary herbs into your diet can enhance both the taste and nutritional value of your meals, promoting better health and well-being. Enjoy experimenting with these herbs in your cooking.